There are many species of underwater creatures that can sting, bite, or swallow you whole. With species such as jellyfish, you would receive a powerful sting, and depending on the type of jellyfish, you could possibly die. On the other hand, species such as sharks have the ability to shred you to pieces, and some could even swallow you in one bite. However, imagine this: a creature that could electrocute you. Today we are looking at 3 animals that can and will shock you, literally. For our first shocking specimen, the electric catfish. The electric catfish is one of the most fascinating and unique species in the aquatic world. Found primarily in African freshwater rivers and lakes, such as the Nile and the Congo River, these unique fish have a secret weapon: the ability to deliver a shock of up to 350 volts. These amazing fish can grow between 12 and 39 inches long, depending on the species, and they are generally brown or gray with smooth, scaleless skin. It produces electricity using a highly developed electric organ, which consists of specialized cells called electrocytes. These cells store and release electrical energy, allowing the fish to generate shocks of up to 350 volts, and the intensity of the shock varies depending on the catfish's size, age, and level of aggression. Electric catfish use their ability for 3 main purposes. Hunting, where they stun prey, making it easier to capture. Self-defense, where they use electric shocks to ward off predators, and communication, with some studies suggesting they use electrical signals to communicate with other electric catfish. While shocks to humans aren't usually fatal, they are very painful, especially for individuals with pre-existing heart conditions. For the next animal on our list: electric rays. Electric rays look a lot like their less stimulating cousins, stingrays, with round, flat bodies. 2 kidney-shaped structures on their heads generate an electric current, which are stacks of muscle tissue. Instead of contracting, they produce chemical reactions that generate an electric jolt. Most species produce up to 30 or 40 volts, but some can generate more than 200. Much like the electric catfish, the rays use the discharges to scare off predators and to stun their own prey, usually by burying itself in the sand and waiting for a fish to swim above it, or it may float leisurely through the water, drifting below its prey. When a fish is in the right position, the ray curls its body upwards and zaps the prey with a series of electrical pulses. Many people have reported being shocked from electric rays, with their reports indicating that simply touching one can cause serious harm, including muscle paralysis and even death in severe cases. For the final animal on our list, and the most notorious: the electric eel. The electric eel is a knife fish and is more closely related to catfish and carp than to other eel families. This electric fish can generate up to 800 volts of electricity. Electric eels grow to lengths of 6 to 8 feet and are widely distributed across northern South America. In addition to defense, electric eels use their shocking power to hunt. In the dark and murky waters they inhabit, prey can be difficult to spot, so to aid its hunt, the electric eel has motion-sensitive hairs along its body that detect any slight pressure change in the surrounding water. When the eel suspects a prey item is nearby, it emits 2 rapid electric pulses, called a doublet, which affects the muscles of the prey, causing it to twitch involuntarily and alerting the electric eel to its presence. With a series of high-voltage pulses, as many as 400 per second, it then paralyzes and consumes its prey. This entire process happens so quickly that it can be difficult for the human eye to observe in detail. While these amazing creatures do possess the power to kill a human, such incidents are extremely rare, and most deaths are due to being incapacitated in the water and drowning. So, what did you think about the animals on our list? Has anyone ever been shocked by any of these? Let me know in the comments. Until the next video, stay curious, and stay safe.